Friends, Huawei Y9A comes with Android 10, EMUI 10.1, but there is no Google Play services, and powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor with 2.2 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G52MC2. Whereas Galaxy Note 20 Ultra runs Android 10, One UI 2.5 and powered by Exynos 990 processor with 2.73 GHz octa-core with GPU Mali G77MP11. If we see the display of this device, you can find 6.63 inches screen size with IPS LCD display that comes with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 397 ppi pixels density. Whereas Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is 6.9 inches device with dynamic AMOLED 2X display having resolution 3088 by 1440 pixels with 494 ppi pixels density and comes with screen protection of Corning Gorilla Glass with Samsung Pay feature IP68 dust or water resistant up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes, and obviously it comes with stylus with Bluetooth integration. Talking about the internal memory, then Huawei Y9A is available in 128GB with 6 or 8GB RAM and also supports up to 256GB nano shared memory. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in space silver, sakura pink and midnight black colors. Moving on to Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it is available in two variants of primary storage, that is 256GB and 512GB with 8GB RAM in both the devices. This phone also supports micro SD XE. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors of this device, then it is produced in Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black and Mystic White colors. If we talk about the dimension of Huawei Y9A, it measures 163.5 by 76.5 by 9 mm of height, width, thickness and 197 grams of weight with a dual nano SIM support. Whereas Galaxy Note 20 Ultra measures 164.8 by 77.2 by 8.1 mm of height, width, thickness and 208 grams of weight with hybrid dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Huawei Y9A comes with quad camera setup, that is 64, 8, 2 and 2 megapixels with 1.8, 2.4, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures respectively with wide angle, ultra wide angle, macro and depth sensor. It shoots out videos of 4K and full HD at 30 frames per second and also equipped with motorized selfie camera of 16 megapixels with 2.2 aperture wide angle and that can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it comes with triple 108 plus 12 plus 12 megapixels with wide, ultra wide, periscope, telephoto, 5x optical zoom, 50x hybrid zoom, LED flash, auto HDR and panorama mode. It shoots out videos of 8K at 24 frames per second, 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second and another features also. It comes with HDR 10 plus stereo sound recording and also equipped with 10 megapixels selfie camera with 2.2 wide angle with 2.2 aperture and wide angle dual pixel PDAF, and it can record 4K videos at 30 or 60 frames per second while full HD videos at 30 frames per second. Friends, in Huawei Y9A you can find side mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like proximity, compass, accelerometer and a gyroscope. This phone comes with Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth, dual band GPS, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go and fast battery charging. This phone is powered by a non-removable 4200 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Samsung Galaxy Note 20, you can find under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that comes with some more sensors like proximity, compass, gyroscope, barometer and accelerometer with Samsung wireless DeX support and Bixby as well. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, 3.2 Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go, fast battery charging with 25 watts and also comes with non-removable 4500 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.